Okay guys, I'm really excited to show you the Steinfeld. Last year at HPBA, we brought you the Stylus. It was the white unit with the black, and it had a little bit more of a modern edge to it. This guy here, you guys wanted rustic, we brought you rustic. It's burnished walnut encased cabinet, but because it's encased, we had to move some of the features. So your night light is right in the middle. Your USB ports are now off into the outer shell. It's red when it's not charged, turns green when it is. Of course, you have your multicolored flame, so you've got your orange, you've got your yellow, and you've got your blue, and you can combine it as well. It's got 8 different colored ember bed. This is what you should be showing in your showrooms. It catches people's attention, and of course, I may not want the red, but I do want the blue. So as it changes, it's telling people that they can customize it any way that they want. This guy here is going to be in our warehouse in October. By now, everybody should have the Entice on the floor. The plan for Entice is it will replace the Allure that we've had. It was our original wall mount that Napoleon came out. We've had great success with it. The Entice, what we've done is we've lost the frame around it. So it's a bigger viewing area. That's the first thing that you're gonna notice, and people love it. The second thing that you're gonna notice is we've moved the controls from the bottom up to the top. This again allows you a nice clean view of all the crystals, the 8 ember bed colors that you're going to be playing with, along with it comes with the orange flame, it comes with the blue, and then of course you can add the yellow. The Allure just had the orange and the blue. The other thing with this unit, you'll find that it comes with accessories. So you still have 3 different options of installing this. You can either hang it on the wall with the wall bracket, and again, like all our wall mounts, it comes with the cord cover that's paintable. But then when you partially recess it, it comes with a little panel that finishes it off. It really does give it a nice clean look. And then of course, when you're fully recessing it into the wall, it's got a self-trimming flange. So when you just push it in, it finishes off that drywall that may not be cut completely straight. The other thing with this unit is we have a full screened vent at the top. Before we had it in different sections. So now it's a nice clean look across it. This unit comes in a 36, a 42, a 50, a 60, and a 72 inch. So all those wall mount displayers that you have out there, make sure that you put at least the 36 on it because it's a nice unit, it's small, it's a little bit bigger than that 32 Allure that we had. And then of course our 50 and our 60 are our most popular. That's the Entice. Okay guys, I don't know what I'm more excited about. This is another favorite of mine. We've redesigned the Cinema series and we've come out with the CineView. I know, it's gonna be confusing, but you'll get used to it. This one here, we've got 2 sizes. So we're taking away the 24, 27, and 29 inch, and we're coming out with a 26 and a 30. What also is nice about this is you get your crystals and your log set in one box, so you don't have to order a separate SKU for one insert. That's just the highlights of it. Right now, we've introduced the orange and the blue flame, whereas before we just had the orange flame. So you can either have it with the combined, or you can take it right down to the orange. Also, it's got a fabulous looking log set. Turning it off, it looks as real as it can be. It's got a nice grate, and it also has 7 ember bed colors. The other thing that we've done is cleaned up the control panel. So before you used to have to put your finger in the hole to turn the controls on and off. Now it's just a touch screen that disappears after only a few seconds. It's got the screen that goes across from it. It's got the self-trimming trim that when you recess it in, it gives it a nice finished look, and you can hardwire it to a 120 or use it as a plug-in. Perfect for those people who want to take that wood-burning fireplace and convert it into something that's useful with no mess. This is the firebox for them. I'm back, and I forgot to mention that this unit here has got an EcoBoost. It's a little green, little leafy looking icon that's at the top, and it works exactly like a 2-stage furnace. So when your room is close to the setting that you've set it at, it will give it a good boost in order to get there. Okay guys, and it wouldn't be an open house if we weren't showing you the TriVista. The TriVista is fairly new. It comes in a 50 and a 60 inch. It's our 3-sided insert, can be hardwired to 120 or 240. This one we do include side panels, so you can either have it 3-sided, 2-sided, or it can go flush into a wall as well. It's got 15 different ember bed colors and 15 top light colors. It's got your 3 different colored flames, the orange, the yellow, and the blue. It comes with the crystals and the log set, so the customer just opens up the box and decides what look that they want. They add it to it. It's also got our feature of the flame speed. So again, not many competitors out there have a choice of how fast you want that flame, or you can slow it down as well. This is the TriVista, and we do have a display that you can order with this unit. You buy 2, you get the display for free. I know you guys don't have room in your showroom to show a 3-sided, so that's why we came out with it. So make sure you talk to your sales rep and you get this one on the floor. Okay, I just wanted to take you through the features of the Element. It's got orange flame only, but I gotta tell you, this flame is a nice high flame. It almost takes up the whole viewing area. It's got a great looking log set, but it does not have pulsating ember bed. So when you look at our 33 and our 40 inch, it's got that pulsating that really makes it look like a real fire. It's got black paneled side pieces, the venting at the top, and it's got your remote control. It's a great sell up to that 40 inch. So consumers look at this, they love the price point, they love the product, but then you can upsell them to the 40 inch where it has all the bells and whistles. This is our Element 36 inch builder box. All right, so hot off the press, we've made some changes to the AlluraVision. Some of you may be aware that there has been some issues where installers are not removing the jumper wire. And that's been a problem because when you switch over from 120 to 240, that is a must. So what we've done is we have reworked the wiring system in our AlluraVision so that nothing has to be removed when it's being installed. We've also improved on some of our thermostat settings and our light settings. So that'll be available in the fall. It'll be a mod change. If you already have some of the old stuff on the floor, that's perfectly fine. The product is good, but look forward to that coming down the pipeline as well. So guys, this is the Clarion Elite. It's been out for a little bit, as you know. This is the 50 inch. This season, we're coming out with the 60 inch. The 60 inch looks great. I think we've pointed it out to you before. The flames on the Elite version of the Clarion are a lot higher. I know it was a complaint from most of you that the flame wasn't that high, but you'll notice it is high. The other thing that we did was we improved the ember bed. So you've got some crushed glass, you've got some big rocks, and then you've got some driftwood. The nice thing about this is it's all glued on one panel. So when you remove that, it's all in one piece. And then it also comes with the crystals as well. So you can have that modern look, or you can have more of a rustic look. But The big feature here is where we've put the control panel. Before, we had the little cutouts in the frame, and it was a little bit hard to utilize. So now it's up top, and then of course what makes it elite is that privacy screen. I don't want to see what's going on in the bathroom when I'm in the bedroom. So I want that so I can't see it. But I can have it partially see-through. So letting it a little bit of light, maybe my office is on one side, bedroom's on the other. And then of course I want it see. Whoa, there's Melissa. She did show up. You can fully see through into that room. That's the elite version of the Clarion. Look forward to the 60-inch. We're gonna come out with that Clarion display that will also house the 60-inch, and we're gonna try to have a panel on it so that somebody can see the size of the 50 compared to the 60. The one thing about the 60, we've made it a bit taller, so that viewing area in that 60 is superb on this unit. So look forward to that.